FEC Train number 109. The Ugly Duckling 719 is leading. Out of all units that still get painted, I mean, wow. I'm not fazed by this. Cause I could totally see her rocking the champion scheme. She got the horn. What the heck is with the paint though? Like, jeez. There she is. 719, the ugly 719 into 717. Whoa, look at that graffiti. Southern Pacific. And another Southern Pacific. A Conrail. And another Conrail. They're meeting up with 202 and, hey, Golden Western Service. Meeting up with 202 in Villa Rica. Operation Lifesaver Rock Hopper. My bad. No dirt storm here. There goes the EOT, passing me at 2:06. Stay tuned for FEC's 202 as they meet in Villa Rica.